You don't need experience to get your first 3D client. Yeah, I know that sounds fake, but the real reason you don't have clients yet isn't because you're a beginner. It's because you're approaching it the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to land your first 3D client step by step, even if you've never been paid before. And one of these steps is something almost nobody talks about, but it's the fastest way to get noticed. Let's be honest. Starting 3D feels like you're learning, you're improving, but nobody is hiring you. And it feels like you need more skills, more time, more experience. But here's the truth. Clients don't check your years of experience. They check one thing. Can you do what I need? So how do you prove that when you've never worked with a client before? That's the real question. Let's break it down. If a client doesn't understand what you do in 5 seconds, they won't hire you. Not because you're not good, but because you're unclear. Most beginners say, I do 3D. I'm a 3D artist. But that's too broad. It's like saying, I work on computers. Okay, but doing what? Clients don't want to figure you out. They want clarity. So what should you say instead? Because this one change alone can make people take you seriously instantly. Instead of describing your skill, describe the result you provide. For example, I do 3D modeling. Say, I create 3D product images for brands. I make animations. Say, I create short 3D ads for social media. Instead of, I do architecture. Say, I design realistic interior visuals for real estate. See the difference? Now it's not about you anymore. It's about what the client gets. Ask yourself this. If a business owner reads this, will they immediately know if they need me? If the answer is no, you're still too vague. But here's where people get stuck. They think choosing one service means, what if I pick the wrong thing? You're not locked in forever. You're just choosing a starting point. Because clarity beats perfection. Every time, start simple. Don't overthink it. Pick something you can already do, even at beginner level, businesses actually use. You're willing to improve at. Example, product renders, social media ads, simple animations, interior renders. Don't try to be fancy. Try to be useful. And once you have a clear service, something powerful happens. People start to see you differently. You're no longer someone learning 3D. You become someone who helps businesses get results. And that's when getting your first client actually becomes possible. This is the cheat code. You don't wait for your first client. You create the work as if you already had one. Example, make a product ad for a Nike shoe. Create a luxury perfume animation. Design a modern apartment render. But present it like concept project for a brand. Now, when a client sees your work, they don't see a beginner. They see someone who can already do the job. Now, here's where most people get stuck. They build the work and then just sit there waiting. Here's the truth most beginners don't realize. Clients don't come knocking on your door. They're not searching for you in your bedroom while you practice 3D. You have to go to them. Start simple. Look for businesses that already need visuals. Examples, Instagram, brands, startups, small shops. LinkedIn, professionals, agencies, product designers. Twitter/X, small businesses posting products or campaigns. Freelance platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, Behance, ArtStation jobs. The key is, don't wait for someone to find you. Go to the people who already need your skills. But don't just go there. If you scroll or like posts randomly, you're wasting time. Most beginners do this and wonder why no one responds. Here's the trick. Look for small brands or startups. They need visuals but often don't have a big budget yet. Perfect for beginners. Look for companies already using visuals. They know the value of 3D, so it's easier to pitch. Avoid big companies that expect a full portfolio or years of experience. You'll get ignored. Let's say you want to do product animation. Search Instagram hashtags. Hashtag small business, hashtag product launch, hashtag brand design. Find a startup posting a new product. Study how they present it. Imagine how a 3D render or animation could make it look better. Now you have a specific target and a specific way to help. Now that you know where clients are, here's the next critical step. Most beginners still fail here. They find clients, but their outreach is weak. That's where step 4, reach out the right way, comes in. And it's what actually turns found clients into paid clients. Most people send messages like, "Hi, I'm a 3D artist. Can I work with you?" That gets ignored. Instead, do this. Be specific. Be helpful. Be direct. Example: "Hey, I saw your product and made a quick 3D concept showing how it could look in an ad. I think this style could help you stand out. Would you like me to send it?" Now you're not begging. You're offering value. Now here's the part nobody tells you. You might still get ignored at first, and that's normal. Getting your first client is not about sending one message. It's about sending enough messages plus not quitting too early. Let's say you message a brand. "Hey, I made a 3D concept for your product," and they don't reply. Most beginners think they're not interested, so they stop. That's the mistake. Wait 2 to 3 days, then send a follow-up like, "Hey, just checking if you saw the 3D concept I made for your product. I'd love to send it over if you're interested." Simple, polite, no pressure. People are busy. They miss messages. Forget. Plan to reply later. Your follow-up doesn't annoy them. It reminds them. This is the part nobody wants to hear. You might need to contact 20, 30, even 50 people before you get your first yes. And that's normal. If you send 5 messages, no reply. 10 messages, maybe 1 reply. 30 plus messages, higher chance of a client. This is a numbers game, not a talent problem. Instead of random effort, have a simple system. Every day, message 5 to 10 potential clients. Follow up with old messages. Improve your message slightly. That's it. Don't think, "Why is nobody replying to me?" Think, "I haven't reached enough people yet." That one shift changes everything. Day 1, message 10 brands. Day 3, follow up with those 10. Day 5, message 10 new brands. Repeat. Within a few weeks, you'll start getting replies, conversations, your first client. Most people quit right here. "I tried, it didn't work." Meanwhile, someone else sends 20 more messages and gets the client. Your first client is not hidden. You just haven't reached them yet. So here's the exact formula. 1. Pick a clear service. 2. Create 2 to 3 client-style projects. 3. Go where clients are. 4. Reach out with value. 5. Stay consistent. Do this. And it's not a matter of if you get your first client. It's a matter of when. If you want to turn your 3D skills into real income, subscribe. Because on this channel, I'm not just teaching you how to create, I'm teaching you how to get paid. And next, I'll show you how to price your 3D work without underselling yourself. Trust me, you need that.